differences between may and might. May and might are both modal auxiliary verbs that are used to express possibility, permission, and ability. While they are often used interchangeably in casual conversation, there are some differences between them. Probability. May is typically used to indicate a higher probability than might. For example, I may go to the store later implies that there is a good chance of going, while I might go to the store later implies a lower probability. Formality. May is often considered more formal than might and is used in more polite contexts, such as making a request or asking for permission. For example, may I borrow your pen? Is more polite than might I borrow your pen? Past tense. Might can be used to express past possibility or probability, while may cannot. For example, he might have gone to the store suggests that it is possible that he went to the store in the past, while he may have gone to the store would be incorrect in this context. Consequence. Might can be used to suggest a negative consequence, while may does not carry this connotation. For example, if I eat too much, I might get sick suggests a negative consequence, while if I eat too much, I may not feel well does not carry the same suggestion. In general, may is used to indicate a higher probability or to make a polite request or ask for permission, while might suggests a lower probability or can be used to express past possibility. However, the differences between these two words can be subtle, and they are often used interchangeably in informal conversation.